Coat, pack, ship. Enjoy.
Popcorn doesn't begin inside a factory. It begins here, in carefully cultivated fields where a very special type of corn is grown. Regions. Farmers and agricultural scientists spent decades perfecting this crop. Modern popcorn corn is a hybrid, meaning popcorn thrives in warm, dry climates with long sunny days. Too much rain and the kernels absorb excess moisture.
Unlike sweet corn, popcorn is harvested only after the plant's fully dry. This allows the kernels to harden and lock in the right amount of moisture.
Inside each kernel is a simple structure with powerful results. The hard hull traps steam. The starch inside gelatinizes under heat. Only the highest quality popcorn kernels are selected and transported to specialized factories.
And this is where science meets flavor. InsideTheFactory, raw.
When truckloads of popcorn kernels arrive at the factory, they enter a tightly controlled intake system. Here, before cleaning begins, the factory removes any metal contamination using strong industrial magnets. The kernels then pass over vibrating sieve screens. Smaller dust and soil particles fall through, while
Next, an airflow density separator removes damaged or lightweight kernels. Healthy kernels are heavier, while cracked or hollow kernels blow aside. The most advanced step is optical sorting. High-speed cameras inspect every single kernel, thousands.
A final dust removal stage uses strong, filtered air jets. This polishing step improves flavor and helps.
The cleaning line is part of a strict HACCP food safety program. Every surface must be stainless steel. Every process is monitored.
Once fully cleaned and inspected, the kernels are conveyed to temperature-controlled storage, ready for the next stage.
after cleaning, the popcorn kernels enter a carefully engineered environment, storage silos built from food-grade stitch. To pop properly, each kernel must hold 13 to 14% moisture. Too dry and it won't expand. The silos use aeration systems to keep the kernels breathing. Cool, filtered air flows upward from the...
If moisture rises too high, mold can form. So the system instantly alerts operators when humidity...
When it's time for production, kernels are transported using gentle conveyors, not high-speed screw augers.
Isn't. Every batch is digitally logged and traceable, from the farm field to the final packaged popcorn.
With moisture stabilized and quality verified, the kernels are now ready for their transformation. This is the thermal core of the factory, the popping line. Here, heat is controlled down to fractions of a degree.
Kernels are measured into the poppers using automated dosing systems. Too many twos and pressure drops. Too few.
Most factories use one of two methods. Hot air poppers use powerful heated airflow, producing a cleaner...
As the kernels heat, internal moisture becomes steam. Pressure rises, often above 135.
Temperature is monitored continuously. Too hot and popcorn burns. Too cool and kernels don't pop fully.
In slow motion, we can see the dramatic transformation. Gelatinized starch expands.
The finished popcorn flows out of the drums continuously, hot, fresh, and incredibly delicate. From this moment,
now that the kernels have become popcorn, the next stage begins: flavor engineering. Freshly popped popcorn now enters the flavoring zone, a controlled environment where liquid butter, fine...
Natural butter, or butter-flavored oil, is gently melted in temperature-controlled tanks. Food-grade emulsion.
Seasonings are handled like pharmaceuticals. Automated dosing units release exact quantities, measured to the gram.
The popcorn moves into large, rotating coating drums. As it gently tumbles, ultra-fine butter mist is spread.
Butter contains fats that cling to the surface of popcorn.
Texture is critical. The popcorn must feel light, not greasy. Technicians check the crunch, coating thickness.
Before packaging, the warm popcorn must cool, otherwise the butter coating would soften the texture. Cooling.
Once coated, the popcorn is still warm, enemy of crunch. So the popcorn now enters the cooling hall.
The conveyors are made from open stainless steel mesh. This design allows cool, filtered air to flow through the popcorn.
The goal is equilibrium. If popcorn cools too slowly, moisture softens the coating. Cool it too fast, and condensation may form.
As coatings cool, some pieces naturally cling together. Specialized declumping rollers gently separate them.
Smart sensors constantly weigh and count the popcorn as it travels. This data keeps production steady, ensuring each...
Unlike heavy industrial lines, popcorn conveyors are designed for softness. Smooth bends, cushion transition.
A final cooling tunnel stabilizes temperature and protects the popcorn from airborne particles using filtered air.
With texture preserved and flow stabilized, the popcorn now enters its final stage. Precise weighing. From the cooling line, the popcorn now enters the packaging hall, a fully automated environment where every high-speed combination weighers portion each bag. Multiple weigh heads calculate tiny amounts of popcorn in milliseconds.
Packaging begins as a flat film roll. The machine shapes the film into a tube, seals the back seam with heat.
To protect freshness, the inside of each bag is flushed with pure nitrogen gas. Nitrogen replaces oxygen.
Heat seal jaws bond the film layers together, creating an airtight closure. Seal temperature and pressure are constantly monitored.
Sinklers. Inkjet printers apply batch codes, traceability data, and expiry dates. Robotic packers gently place each.
Wrapped, protected, and traceable, the popcorn is now ready for transport. The journey from kernel to crunch.
Beyond the production floor lies the quality laboratory, a controlled environment where science validates every batch.
Samples are collected from each batch and assigned a digital identity. Barcode systems link every reading, moisture.
Two of the most important metrics are moisture content and expansion index. Moisture determines pop quality, while expansion index...
In the microbiology section, samples are tested for bacteria and spoilage organisms. Chemical analysis checks frying oils and flavor components for purity and stability. Gas chromatography reveals even
Then, the human test. Trained sensory evaluators assess crunch, aroma, and flavor.
Results are compared against acceptance quality limits. If a batch falls short, it never leaves the factory. Only verified, traceable popcorn is approved for shipment.
Each pallet carries a digital identity. Barcodes store batch history, production time, and
Warehouses operate on a first-in, first-out system. Older stock is shipped first, ensuring freshness and preventing...
Automated pallet movers and trained forklift operators load outbound trucks. Sensors and guidance lasers ensure handling. Transport vehicles are monitored for heat exposure. Excessive heat can accelerate flavor loss, so temperature loggers record conditions throughout the journey.
Voiceover and voiceover. For global shipments, popcorn must meet international labeling, allergen, and food safety standards.
From warehouse to retail shelves, and from cinema counters to living rooms, every delivery step protects the freshness sealed inside each bag. Linked by data, refrigeration control, and careful handling, a single factory can supply millions of bowls of popcorn.
The future of popcorn production is powered by clean energy. Many factories now integrate rooftop solar.
Waste heat from popping machines is captured and reused to pre-warm incoming air and water systems. To conserve water, automated cleaning systems target only the internal surfaces that need sanitization.
Packaging science is evolving too. Lightweight recyclable films reduce plastic use, yet still protect freshness through...
Artificial intelligence now monitors the factory in real time. predicting equipment wear, optimizing energy usage.
Sustainability begins long before harvest. Factories partner with farmers to reduce fertilizer runoff. Nothing goes to waste. Broken popcorn and unused kernels can become livestock feed.
From kernel to crunch, popcorn combines agriculture, engineering, chemistry, and joy.